UNEB has issued official clarification on what's going on around the issue of the payment of the examiners who striked via a press statement. Now, the press statement reads, marking continues smoothly at all UNEB centers. The Uganda National Examination Board, UNEB, would like to assure the public that although some examiners left the marking centers after disagreement on payment, the marking at all examination marking centers is continuing smoothly as planned. The board contracted 7,000 examiners to mark the Uganda Certificate of Examination, the Uganda Certificate of Education, as you see, scripts for both the new curriculum and the transitional or old curriculum examination this year. Senior examiners reported on November the 30th for coordination with subject officers. The rest of the examiners reported on December 6th to the 14 marking centers for further coordination and preparations for effective marking. Actual marking was slated to start on December 13th. However, on that day, two groups of examiners for physics and agriculture theory papers declined to start the exercise because they were not satisfied with the payment rate. This was despite efforts to negotiate with them and the explanation that management had already considered the dynamics of the new curriculum and made some adjustments in accordance with the available resources. While some examiners objected to the adjustment rates, majority accepted and marking started effectively at all the centers. About 100 out of over 400 examiners of physics walked out of the marking centers, while 59 quit marking agriculture. Their departure, however, will not have a major impact on the exercise. Marking is therefore going on smoothly for all the subjects and papers under the new curriculum as originally planned. The board is grateful to the over 6,800 examiners who have exhibited the spirit of patriotism and understanding in this national cause of marking the first cohort of candidates for the new lower secondary curriculum, that is NLSC, signed by Dan Odomo, Executive Director of Uganda National Examination Board. Thank you.